Hello there. Welcome to Sumit Academy. I hope that you're keeping up with my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my previous or future videos. In this video, the sixth in the series of 7 videos on the selection procedure at the Services Selection Boards, we shall continue to learn about the main testing procedure. After the lecturate, you will move on to individual obstacles. In this test, a series of obstacles are placed one after the other. Candidates are required to successfully cross as many of such obstacles in the allotted 3 minutes time. Obstacles vary from board to board. Some general obstacles include high jump, barrel jump, double jump, Tarzan swing, tiger leap, Burma bridge, rope climb, commando walk, double ditch, screen jump, balance beam, monkey crawl, etc. The GTO will familiarize you with each obstacle. Demonstration how to complete of each task is also given. Marks are allotted to the obstacles from 1 to 10, making a total of 55 marks. One can repeat obstacles after completing all obstacles. This adds to marks scored. Each candidate can start from any obstacle of their own choice. There will be a bell at the end of 3 minutes indicating stop for the first candidate and start for the second. Listen to the instructions of the GTO carefully and note areas to be careful. Decide from where you want to begin. Besides your optimum fitness, the attitude of never say die and mental power to sustain in the training is displayed. Be careful not to injure yourself during those 3 minutes. Take a calculated risk but avoid being foolish. Before you report for your SSB, practice running, jogging and skipping to build up your stamina. Physical strength and agility can be improved through games and sports. You will now move on to the command task. Command task is quite interesting and important. Unlike other group tasks, it is not a leaderless exercise. The designated commander has to plan and accomplish the given task within the allotted time. Here, ability to give command and leadership is tested by the GTO. Depending upon the performance of the candidate, the GTO selects a suitable level of task for every candidate. The basic rules for the task are the same as the progressive task. Here, the GTO interacts with each candidate individually. He explains the task to the commander and the helping material available. Commander is given time to observe the task and think of a solution. The commander is permitted to choose 2 helpers or subordinates from amongst the group. The commander has to execute the chosen plan to complete the task in the allotted time. All candidates get to become the commander in terms. Listen to the explanation by the GTO. Ask questions to clarify if required. Then form a broad plan in 2 to 3 minutes. Use common sense and think of a logical solution for the task. Remain calm. Don't be nervous. Have confidence in yourself. Select subordinates judiciously. Identify and recognize abilities of other group members. Explain the allotted task to your subordinates, your plan and material at your disposal. Ask and take suggestion from subordinates if you are stuck. You may lose some marks, but it is worth it. Give instructions to your subordinates politely and firmly. Control your anger. If you find that your plan is not working well, change it. Be logical and systematic. Remain cheerful and optimistic about your success and have confidence in yourself and in your planning. The GTO might increase the level of difficulty by asking you not to consider some structures or changing the color code. He may ask for multiple solutions. When you are a helper, show maximum cooperation and loyalty. Thank the subordinates after the task is over for their contribution. Well, that is well done till this point. Now, tighten your belt for the final group task. The previous three tasks, lecturate, obstacle, and the command tasks are individual centric. The final group task once again gets the whole group together and to perform for one last time. Each candidate gets one more go at showing their abilities and qualities. The single task here is slightly longer and complicated, requiring more time for planning and execution. At the end of the group tasks, the GTO generally cheers up all the candidates for their performance. The winding up talk aims to make candidates feel better and happy. Now this helps you relax and do your best during the interview. The interview also aims at bringing out the qualities and traits of candidate which affect their chances of becoming potential officers in the defense forces. Experience shows that the best way to predict what one will do in the future is on the basis of what he or she has done in the past. Exceptional cases are there, but they are very rare. Although it is possible for an individual to grow and develop, to modify his/her behavior, overcoming and changing completely in the short time ahead is almost impossible. For example, a hard worker is most likely to continue work hard in the assignments ahead, and a person who has shown ability to adjust and adapt to new and emerging situations in school and college life is more likely to make suitable adjustment in the new changed atmosphere. The interview is a one-to-one interaction between the interviewer and the interviewee. Hence, in this respect, it is at the conscious level. The Personal Information Questionnaire, the PIQ, forms the basis for the interview. Each candidate fills up the PIQ in 2 copies on the very first day when you arrived at the SSB. Based on the information provided by you, certain questions will be posed to you. Through answers to the questions, you can showcase your inner feelings, thought processes, values, morals, conflicts, shortcomings, etc. But all this in the next video. Because as far as this video is concerned, that's all from me. We shall continue in the 7th and final video in this series on the SSB selection procedure. Do like and share this video and do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my previous or future videos. And if you wish to get in touch, do drop in a line to sumitacademy20@gmail.com. I also gratefully acknowledge the help, information and guidance given to me by officers previously posted to Army and Air Force SSBs, and in particular to Anand Burma for publicly sharing a booklet on the subject. Till later then, cheers.